Hello friends, welcome to our channel Tech Point and my name is Nitin Gupta and today I am going to tell about latest recruitment process of Capgemini company. So if you guys want to join Capgemini as a software engineer, then this video is for you. In this video I am going to tell about what is the hiring process for freshers in Capgemini company. So this video is very important for you, so please watch this video completely to clear your all doubts. So guys, let's start the video. So guys, today's session outline are: firstly we will discuss about some basic company information, then we will discuss about job description for which freshers are hired in Capgemini. In this section I will tell you about salary and pay packages. Then we will discuss about eligibility criteria to sit in placement drive. Then we will brief you about latest selection process. Then we will discuss about paper pattern and syllabus. So this is all about today's session outline. So guys, firstly I will tell you about some basic information about Capgemini. So guys, as you know, Capgemini is a French multinational company situated in Paris, France. The company is a global market leader in the field of business consulting, technology and outsourcing services. Capgemini helps its client by developing their business with the help of technology and digital solutions that fit their needs, thus enabling them to achieve digitalization and innovation. Capgemini has over 270,000 employees in over 50 countries, of whom 120,000 employees are in India. So guys, let's talk about Capgemini history. So guys, Capgemini was founded by Serge Camp in the year of 1967 as a data processing company. The company was initially inaugurated as Sogeti. In 1974, Sogeti acquired Gemini Computer System, a US company, and in 1975, with the acquisition of both Cap and Gemini Computer System, Sogeti renamed itself as Capgemini Sogeti. In year 1996, all operating companies were rebranded to operate as Capgemini. In the year of 2002, Capgemini reintroduced its Sogeti brand, thus creating a new entity in the market. The new company is focused on delivering IT services to a specific range of markets. The tagline of the company is "People Matter, Results Count." So guys, let's talk about some important facts about Capgemini. So guys, company is a multinational company. The services are offered by Capgemini are IT, business consulting and outsourcing services. The revenue of the company is around 15.95 billion US dollar as per 2020. The CEO of the company is Paul Hermelin. The number of employees working in Capgemini are 270,000 as per 2020. The headquarters of the company situated in Paris, France. So guys, let's talk about what are the products and services offered by Capgemini. So guys, Capgemini provides consulting services, technology services, outsourcing services and local professional services. So guys, these are the services offered by Capgemini. So guys, let's talk about some important HR interview questions which are based on company information and can be asked in HR interview. So guys, the questions are: who is the founder of the company? When was Capgemini founded? Who is the current CEO of the company? What is the revenue and employee count? What are the products and services offered by Capgemini? And where is the headquarters of company situated? So guys, the next slide is for job description. Entry-level job designation in Capgemini is known as analyst or software analyst, and you guys are hired for the analyst and software analyst profile in Capgemini. And if we talk about salary and pay packages offered by Capgemini, then the cost to company is around 3.8 LPA. So guys, the next slide is for eligibility criteria. So guys, only circuit branches like information technology, information science, computer science and engineering, electrical engineering, electronics engineering and electronics and communication, electronics and telecommunication and electronics and instrumentation are eligible to apply, and MCA as well as ME and MTech with mentioned branch are eligible to apply. So guys, now we will talk about percentage criteria to sit in Capgemini recruitment process. So guys, you must have desired percentage criteria. The percentage criteria for 10th will be 60%, the percentage criteria for 12th will be 60%, the percentage criteria for BTech will be 60%, the percentage criteria for MCA will be 60% with no current backlog. So guys, the next slide is for selection process. So in the latest selection process of Capgemini conducts a online test on CoCube's platform, which contains 4 sections, in which first section is quantitative aptitude, second one is logical reasoning, third one is essay writing, and fourth one is pseudocode round. We will brief you about every section and their paper pattern and syllabus later in this video. So guys, please watch this video completely to clear your all doubts. So guys, if you get succeeded in online test, then after a technical interview and a HR interview will be conducted to judge your technical skills and soft skills. So guys, the next slide is for syllabus. The first section is quantitative aptitude. The number of questions appeared in this section will be 16, and you have to solve these questions in a time frame of 25 minutes. And the topics are covered in this section will be number system, percentage, profit and loss, mixture and allegations, time and work, time, speed and distance, boat and stream, PNC, probability, geometry and trigonometry, data interpretation, logarithms, SCF and LCM, SI and CI, series and progression, mathematical orders and averages, mensuration and algebra. And the second section is for logical reasoning. The number of questions appeared in this section will be 16, and you have to solve these questions in a time frame of 25 minutes. The topics are covered in this section will be data arrangements, analogies, coding and decoding, number series, flow charts and visual reasoning, data interpretation, blood relations, statements and conclusion, attention to details, logical sequence, problem on edges, directional sense, odd one out, inferred meaning, and agree disagree, psychometric. So guys, the third section is for essay writing. The number of questions appeared in this section will be 1, and the time allocated for a particular section will be 30 minutes, and the topics are social, tech related and facts related. And the number 4 section is pseudocode round. The number of questions will be 20, and you have to solve these questions in a time frame of 20 minutes. The topics are C, C++, OOPS concept, data structures and algorithms, and programming basics. So guys, this is all about today's video. If you guys like this video, then press the like button and hit the subscribe button and press the bell icon for more such videos. I have already made videos on recruitment process for companies like TCS, Wipro, Cognizant, Tech Mahindra, SCL and many more. You can watch these videos by clicking on I button, and links are also given for these videos in description box. You guys can connect with me on social media like Instagram and Facebook. The social media profile links are given in description box. You guys can ask your queries in comment section and as well as in Instagram. So guys, like this video and subscribe the channel. So guys, best of luck for your exam. So guys, this is all about today's video, and I have already made similar videos on TCS, Wipro, Cognizant and Capgemini. And guys, I have also made recruitment process and selection process videos on these companies like TCS, Wipro, Cognizant and many more. So guys, you can watch those videos by visiting my channel or the link given in description box. You guys can watch those videos by clicking on I button. So guys, if you like this video, then press the like button and subscribe my channel. So guys, if you have any doubt related to this video, so you can ask over comment section, or you can follow me on Instagram and other social media platforms. All social media profile links are given in description box. You can follow me on Instagram and ask your doubt in Instagram. I will help you and provide best solution regarding any placement preparation, regarding any placement guidance. So you can follow me in Instagram and ask your doubts over Instagram. So guys, if you like this video, then press the like button and hit the subscribe button. So guys, thanks for watching. Don't forget to subscribe.
Press the bell icon on the YouTube app and never miss another update.